Okay, so I'm going to try to go through paper 2 from 2015. So I'm just scrolling down. It's the first bit is where you're editing a Word document, and I think after that, okay, yep, there's a spreadsheet. Okay, spreadsheet, and okay, is it a spreadsheet? Oh, database. So paper 2. So you have the database, database label. So this is actually quite okay. And the final one is a presentation. So I won't cover all that in the first video, but I'll just go through the first bit, which actually, I mean, it's fair, it should be, these first bits on paper 2, where you're just formatting a Word document, should be fairly straightforward once you've had a bit of practice. Alright, so this one is about tea production in India. So it's just create your evidence document first. So you get use suitable software package. So m15.text.rtf. So there's 2 of them. .rtf, it's that one. Okay, so I'm just going to drag that into Microsoft Word, and the first thing then, save the document with a new file name in the format of your editor. Basically, just save it as a Word file. Okay, so that's the first thing. Set the page size A4, orientation to landscape. Set all margins to 4 centimeters. So now on this one, I notice it's just got ticks. It doesn't actually say how many marks you get next to each thing. From what I remember, I think they're pretty much always about 80 marks. So I'm guessing this means you just get a tick for each one, or I guess that's what that means. Okay, so the Word file is open. Okay, this is it. I'm going to close down the mail modes in there. Okay, so again, I'm reading this for the first time, so I'm just going to go. And the thing with Word, actually, I'll do file and page setup. There's probably about 3 or 4 different ways you can do each thing, but right. A4 orientation, and that might not be too clear about exactly what that is. You know, which one's landscape and which one's portrait. Just going to go back to it again. Okay, set all margins to 4, and then place your evidence. Okay, so you need to take screenshots showing this as well. So that one is actually landscape mode there. You know, because you can see it's the person is, that one would be portrait, so it's kind of person standing up, and it's on its side, so it'd be landscape. So that actually would be a screenshot that would show that. Okay, see, it's gone to landscape, and it's set the paper to A4. The other thing was margins, so we're setting them all to 4. We'd go okay, so you've got format. I'm looking for, okay, sorry, format and document, that's what I was looking for. If you click, okay, yeah, if you do format and document, you've got this one here, it says margins, so 4 seems a lot. 4 what? 4 centimeters. Oh, that's inches. Okay. Hang on, I'm just going to click in document setup. Okay. To change it to, so we need to change it to centimeters now. Again, I think it's Word. Go to preferences. I'm just clicking on. Okay, so I went to Word, preferences. If I just click on general, okay, it's there. All right, I was lucky. Guess centimeters, and I'll click OK. The other thing is, you know, if you're doing the layout again, so I went into file, and I went to page setup to start with, but you can just do layout, and there's orientation, and there's margins now, so I can change that to 4. Change that to 4. 4 and then 4. And actually the size there is A4. So actually with that, okay, I guess with that screenshot, you'd screenshot that with the A4 and screenshot that, so you're showing orientation as landscape. So you could take 3 screenshots. Don't worry about how many screenshots you take. The more that you take, the better. Right, so place in the header an automated file name include, okay. In the header, left aligned, candidate number, right aligned. So you go to view, header and footer. So to the left, it was automated file name. If I do insert, and I should, okay, yeah, auto text, file name and path. There you go. So that's exactly what the file is called, and also where it is saved. I wouldn't want to do that just now though, actually. Looking at that, I would need to save that, because the first thing it said is save the file as a particular format. So save it as the Word file first. I'll just save it as that. So you'd save it as that first. Whatever. Okay. And then you would do your insert, or sorry. Then you would do view, header and footer. Okay, so then you do view, header and footer. So you've got that. It said align to the left. If I just click home, where's alignment here? Okay, it's there. All right. So you line it there. And the other one was actually that's not a very good way of doing it. What's the other thing? Oh no, that's all right. That should be left aligned. Your candidate number right aligned. So again, actually that's not right. That shouldn't be an RTF. That should. I'm going to wipe that out actually now, because I've changed it. I do insert file name and path. There you go, and it says .dox. So that should be there. Your name. Okay, and candidate number. Okay, whatever. Okay, your name, candidate number, and you would align that to the right. That's annoying. Just do, look, there you go. I just hit tab a couple of times, done. Okay, so that's that bit done. In the footer, an automated page number, today's date, and your name. Okay, so it's the date. So I'm going to kind of skip forward, you know, a few things. So I've got where's the word to? What happened there? Okay, let's try that again. Header and footer. Footer? Doesn't look. Oh. I'll close the header. View, header and footer. It's gone to. Okay. Right. I'm going to try that one more time. It doesn't. I'm in the header, but I can't click in the bottom bit, so I'm going to. I might just pause the video. No, just going to see what happens. If I do auto text created by, where's it put it? Right, let's put it at the top. That's annoying. Okay. Header. Footer. Okay, I'm just gonna. Right, I'm gonna just save that. I'm going to try it one more time. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to pause the video and work it out. So it doesn't look like I can put anything in the bottom, but I can on the top. Okay, it's pause. Okay, I actually just clicked and it's worked. Okay, so I've got that. And what was it? It was page number. Insert page number to the right. I think it was to the right. And then today's date. So I should be able to do insert auto text. Have I got date? There's date. I've got page and date there. It's just if I'm going to click on fields. Oh, there you go. Date and time and dates. Okay, lovely, done. Okay, and your name. So you just type your name. Make sure all the alignments match the page orientation and margin. Make sure. Okay, I should close that. I mean, it looks alright, so you'd save it and then carry on. Right, so format the entire document into 2 equally spaced columns, 1 centimeter gap between the columns. So it's there, that's the column one. Now I wonder if I just click there, 2 columns. Right, it's done it. 1 centimeter gap, I think it said. So I'm going to click on there again, do columns, number of columns, spacing, width and spacing. Oh, there you go, spacing. So 1. Okay. So that's looking good. Set the text to 12 point. Okay, a sans serif font, fully justified, and line spacing. Okay. So if you remember, sans it means without, or probably sans if it was spoke proper French. So this one here is actually, if I zoom in, this is a serif font because you've got like these little bits, like with the M, you've got those little kind of bits, what you call bits that hang down anyway. So what you want is, I think, like Tahoma. So I'm going to highlight everything. Command and A. Okay, slow. Oh, come on. Command and A. Oh, right. Okay. Actually, I'll do format and font. I mean, obviously, you've got the little. It's very slow. You've got the little drop down. No, I won't do it that way. I know. Oh, you've got the preview there. Actually, it's probably better just to click this little drop down here, actually. So you want something that's simple. Arial, that's it. Whoa. Not Hebrew. Okay, I didn't see Hebrew. Okay, so I'm just going to go for standard. So that is a serif font. That says sans serif font. I think it said 12. No, maybe it didn't. It doesn't matter. Let's say it said 12. It said fully justified. That's the line spacing, which was 1.5. And fully justified, it's not that one. Which one was it? There's one of these buttons here, which is justified. I keep forgetting which one it is. Hang on. That's for the columns. That's to put a border in. Right. I know the. That's it. The only one I can try. Just click there. Alright. Spaces it out basically, as you can see. So there you go. Mark's done there. Lovely. Make sure consistent. Make sure there's a consistent single line space after each paragraph. So you're just a single line space. Yeah, I mean that looks. Yeah, I think so. Insert a blank. Oh, okay. I've got 5 seconds and then this video is going to stop. So I'm going to carry on in part 2.